English Speaking Practice 2 Friends Conversation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Boy 1, hello, good morning. Boy 2, good morning. Boy 1, what is your name? Boy 2, my name is Ahmed. What is your name? Boy 1, my name is Ali. Boy 2, where do you live? Boy 1, I live in Karachi. Where do you live? Boy 2, I live in Hyderabad. Boy 1, which class do you study in? Boy 2, I study in class 5. And you? Boy 1, I also study in class 5. Boy 2, nice to meet you. Boy 1, nice to meet you too. Boy 2, thank you. Goodbye. Boy 1, goodbye. Have a nice day.